Hi guys, so today we're going to talk about organelles that is mostly abundantly in animal cells, which this we have like in the plant cells. So today a bit different tell you guys about the structures and all. So yeah, so let's start off with nucleus. So nucleus, this is the structure of nucleus, and it has nuclear pores, nucleolus, nuclear envelope, and nucleoplasm. Which nuclear pores is to control the exchange of molecules between the nucleus and the cytoplasm, which allows some to pass through the membrane but not others. So yeah, so nucleolus is the site of RNA synthesis, and the nucleoplasm is just like jelly, like fluid. So nucleus is the largest organelle, a spherical shape, and the function of nucleus is control activity, store genetic material, and site of RNA synthesis. So moving on to endoplasmic reticulum. So it has like two types, which is rough ER and smooth ER. Rough ER is actually it's just side by side with the smooth ER, but they are the like ribosomes, so can differentiate between both of them now actually. So function is to transport of protein to Golgi body within transport vesicle, and smooth ER is to the site of lipid synthesis and to detoxification of toxic. So other than that, there's Golgi body, which the structure is like Wi-Fi. I selalu buat like this, so like easier, and it's just like a 2D punya drawing, and the function is to process, modify, sorting, packaging, transport protein, which can form lysosome. So yeah, speaking of lysosome, this is the structure of lysosome, which contains a single wall membrane, and inside there's enzyme complexes, which contain many digestive enzymes. So the function, there are three functions, which lysosome is in the cell, so which is intracellular digestion, which undergoes the phagocytosis process and recycle the cell's own organic material, which is undergo the autophagy process, and lastly the programmed cell destruction autolysis process. So yeah, all right, after that, moving on to the ribosomes. Ribosomes has two structures, which is the large subunit at the above, and the small subunit on the bottom, which can be found abundantly in rough ER. So function of ribosomes is the site of protein synthesis. Yeah. After that, we go into mitochondria, which is the structure. This is the 2D structure, which has cristae, matrix, outer membrane, and there's an inner membrane too, but can differentiate by that. So yeah, the function of the mitochondria is the site of ATP synthesis, and mostly abundantly provide energy in the form of ATP. Move on to the second last, which is chloroplast, which we can found in plant cells. And the function is the site of photosynthesis and store starch. And lastly, the centriole. Centriole is just like a spindle fiber before it became a spindle fiber. There's a microtubule, and the function is organized microtubules assembly during cell division. Yeah, so it forms a spindle fiber and then the tarik, right? And form the basis of cilia and flagella. Okay, that's all for today about the organelles.